Hey everybody, Justin from Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today we're going to talk about how to install the factory skid plate. This one you can tell has seen some abuse. We're going to do that using our hidden winch setup. Factory tray, hidden winch, keep your eyes peeled and we'll show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is get the front bumper off. So if you're doing the winch install watching this, super easy, you're already going to have the bumper off. So I'm going to fast forward. We're going to get the truck up in the air, bumper off, and then I'll show you how to do the skid plate mount. With the bumper cover off, or if you're at this stage in the winch install, what you want to do next is put the factory skid plate on with the two mounting holes so that you can locate the reinforcement brackets. With the skid plate bolted to the 4 bolts on the bottom, get your alignment plate. We're going to use the inner bolt location. Align that up, gently start it. And you're gonna notice there's a gap here. We can use shims to compensate the difference. Some of them are closer, some are farther away. It really all depends on how the winch tray is sitting on your vehicle and how the casting came out on the aluminum skid plate. With our factory bolt loosely in, we're gonna guesstimate how many shims we need. I'm looking at this, I see we're gonna need 2. Setting 2 shims on top. Bring it up. With the shims in place, we're gonna mark our location of where we need to drill. We're gonna go on the outer hole here and the inner hole for the lower bracket. With the holes drilled, get your little spacers there. Put the hardware in. We're gonna level everything off, tighten it up. We should be good to go. With the brackets in place, we're gonna drop the skid plate, put the bumper back on, and then reinstall the skid plate. That easy.